Hey guys, welcome to CT Tuning. In today's video, we're taking the Scatpack to get appraised at Carmax. I'd hate to do it, but if the numbers are right, we might just have to sell it. But the only reason why is because something bigger and better is coming to the channel. So hopefully, they give me what I'm asking for it, and yeah, we'll see from there. Okay guys, I just got the appraisal. The guy came out, I was like, yeah, what a car. The miles, I never seen a Scatpack with that low of miles. My car's a 2019, but it's B5 blue. There's only 268 in the world. That color's been discontinued, so good luck finding a B5 blue wide-body Challenger Scatpack, let alone with these miles and in this condition. It's ceramic coated and all that good stuff. Okay, so here is the appraisal offer, $42,000. I guess the Scat's gonna be gone, guys. I'm gonna miss doing that. I'm definitely gonna miss doing that. Something bigger and badder is coming. But I have to say the truth, no matter how old this car gets, it'll always be one of the most baddest cars there is. It's definitely a cool ride, very, very fun touring.